This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, coming to you from Jackson, Georgia. Today's truck I'm going to tell you about is a 2025 Peterbilt Model 220. It's equipped with the 260 horsepower PX7, which is also the Cummins ISB engine, an Allison 2500 RDS transmission. This one has a 26-foot Morgan box on it and a 3,000-pound capacity fold-out Maxon liftgate. It's 274-inch wheelbase, 557 gears. This is an under CDL truck. Spring suspension, air brakes. Inside the box, you see we got 2 rows of E-track, a scuff plate on the bottom, aluminum roof, roll-up rear door. It's 26 foot long, 96-inch inside width. Got the Goodyear 11R 22.5s. Take a look inside. Cab over model, it's very spacious, easy to get in and out of. Parking brake lever. See, Allison touchpad. Overhead storage bins. Instrument cluster. Center console storage. Some rear map pockets. Power windows, door locks. She's ready to go. If this truck fits your needs, give me a call. 706-372-4698. And we also have a 536 under CDL conventional hood truck available as well, if that's more your style.